So in the previous video we'd created our first tour, but now we actually want to go on it. So we're going to open up the menu and go back to the search page. Here we can see our tours again, and as I mentioned before, these are sorted on distance. So the tour that you've created should be pretty close to you, I would imagine. And here it is, we can see first tour. You'll notice it's got the own tag, and that's because any tour you create is automatically owned by yourself. So now we just need to click on it. As you can see, the description we put in and the two areas. This is another reminder that the names of the areas are going to be seen by your customers, so it's a good idea to give them a good name rather than just the default names. We've got two options now on this page. We can either start the tour or get directions. If we get directions, that will open Google Maps and it will take us to the first area of your tour. We are going to bypass that because we're already at the start and simply click Start Tour. Now this will show you the default image until you walk into the area that will trigger the next piece of audio.